Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your gear and environment. Plug in your microphone or audio interface, then choose the correct input and sample rate in system settings. Once done, open Voice Lab and sign in. Make sure the browser or app has microphone access. You should set buffer size to 256 or 512 to balance latency and stability. If you use a headset, select that device explicitly. This first step gets audio flowing cleanly into the lab, so the next steps work smoothly. Now you record and configure your voice model. Create a new project, choose language and a starting voice preset, then either record directly or import audio files. Once you have takes, trim silences, apply noise reduction, and normalize levels so processing behaves predictably. Next, tweak pitch, timbre, and timing parameters while auditioning changes. Use short loops to compare before and after. Make incremental adjustments and save versions so you can revert. These middle steps shape clarity and character for the final render. Finish by rendering and validating the result. You export the final audio, selecting format, sample rate, and bitrate appropriate for your delivery, WAV for masters, MP3 for quick sharing. Once exported, do a full listen-through and apply mastering EQ or a limiter if the levels need tightening. If you notice artifacts or glitches, rerun denoise, reduce extreme pitch shifts, or increase buffer size and re-render. One key troubleshooting tip. If audio stutters, check CPU load and switch to offline render to eliminate real-time processing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.